What's up, guys? It's Kevin with the Knife Doctor, and today I'm gonna be working on a Hen and Rooster knife, a Stockman, a 3-blade knife. It's made in Germany. The handles are missing on the knife, and what I'm gonna be doing is cutting out the handles from oak wood, and then I'm gonna be staining the wood with pecan. It's gonna be a beautiful knife when I'm done. The knife is gonna clean up good. But if this is y'all's first time here, guys, thank y'all for tuning in. I appreciate the subscribers that I have already. But if this is y'all's first time here, what I like to do is I like to look for knives in need of repair on flea markets, pawn shops, estate sales, yard sales, and eBay. I like to look for knives in need of repair, bring them back here, bring them back to life, and then so that future generations may enjoy them like we are today. Because as you know, guys, especially the the vintage USA made knives, they're getting harder and harder to find. But if I can't repair them, I'll break them down and I'll use the parts for later repairs. But again, guys, thanks for tuning in. Just hit that subscribe button. We're about to start on this knife. Thanks again. Okay, guys, what we got here today is a Hen and Rooster Stockman knife. The blades are made of stainless steel. The handles are missing. What I'm going to be doing is cutting some new handles out of oak wood and staining it with pecan stain. As you can tell, this is a Hen and Rooster made in Germany. Great knife. Overall, the blades are in great shape. The springs are in good shape. So what I've got to do is just clean it up, oil it, and put new handles on. So we got to get rid of these pins here. They're really loose. Now I'm going to take it over and try to get all this rust off, clean up the bolsters, and so that way I won't have to do it when the wood is on there. So I got to get it cleaned up first. I got it all cleaned up now, good enough to where I can feel comfortable with go ahead and putting the handles on there. Looks like to be 3 inches and 3/16. Alright, we got the sides ready to be sanded. Alright, I got it sanded down. I got to take these back off and glue them. Got to clean it real good, make sure there's no dust. But I think the handles turned out very well.
29.99 inches and rising. Elsewhere around the region was sunny, 85 degrees, wind north at 5 miles an hour. Dauphin, it was cloudy, 78 degrees, 74%. Wind northeast at 5 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.98 inches and steady. Columbus, it was mostly sunny, 79 degrees. Elsewhere around the region, Valdosta, it was sunny, 85 degrees, wind north at 5 miles an hour. Philly, it was cloudy, 79 degrees, wind calm. Atlanta, it was cloudy, 76 degrees, wind east at 8 miles an hour. Mariana, it was cloudy, 78 degrees, currently sunny, 82 degrees, wind northeast at 3 miles an hour. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of north and central Georgia. For today and tonight, scattered thunderstorms are expected today. The greatest storm coverage should occur in central Georgia and over the mountains of northern Georgia. An isolated storm with strong or severe downburst winds may occur. The peak period for storm activity should patchy fog early. A chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Northeast winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain, then becoming mostly cloudy. And thunderstorms after midnight.
I'm gonna let this sit for about 2 hours,
In the mid-60s.
and then we'll come back and stain it.
5 to 10
I gotta make
miles
sure
an
all the
hour.
glue's off. Here she is. New handles, oak handles, stained in pecan. The stain has already polyurethane mixed with it. Hen Rooster, made in Germany. Great little knife to carry now. Overall, knife's in great shape. The blades are in excellent shape. This one's got a little bit of scratches I couldn't get out, and this one here I had to put a new edge on it. It was chipped up right there. Somebody's been abusing the knife. But overall, great little knife to carry in your pocket now.